Good morning. My name is Binaya Jung Nepali, and my student ID is 20251023. And today I'm taking you behind the scene of my new personal portfolio. Instead of the usual high-tech look, so I have went for a old money aesthetic, thin, thick, warm wood tone, as you can see here, and with some deep brown and elegant typography. We are going to look at how I used CSS grid, uh, plasmography, and a unique floating sidebar to bring this vision to life. So, so this is my homepage.html. So this page I have. So I added personally. So to make it a little bit more professional. So if we go to style1.css, uh, as you can see, I started by defining a custom color palette in my CSS root, as you can see here, and we have got this color for that classic background color, and this code this color code for a deep dark wood. This deep dark wood asset for for the fonts, and I used this denote to it gives it that high end editorial feel that matches the color palette perfectly. So now let's go back to home.html, and so you can see here. So this is the main header layout is code. So the layout is built entirely on CSS grid for the header. I use a three-column grid to perfectly center the logo while keeping the hide me button down to the right. So if we go to style one and go and look, you can see here. So this is the code for that header, main header. So below the header, so we can see here, below the header we can see grid container, and I used 120px for fixed column for the sidebar, and 1fr for the content area. So this ensures the navigation is always present but doesn't crowd the main showcase area, as you can see here. So this is also the floating sidebar, and if we go to the sidebar section here, and so if we go to style2.css and see here, so this is the code for sidebar. One of my favorite feature is this floating sidebar. So it got a deep this color hashtag 202018 background and a heavy box shadow to um, to make it pop off the page for the main content card. I implemented a glassmorphism effect using backdrop filter and having blur 15px, the subnet white border. It creates a beautiful layering effect and over the background shape. So if if we look here, so you can see here. So this is the box arrow that I gave it, and this is the drop box filter. So we give my content card a classy effect, as you can see here. So this is the glass effect that made by that code. And uh, so if we go to this style4.css, so we can see here I use this media screen so for responsive website for every screen or every device that people use or viewer use. So a portfolio has to look good on phones too. So when the screen hits this 1100 px, the grid collapses to a single column. So I used a checkbox hack, no JavaScript required for this. To trigger the hamburger menu, when you click the icon, the sidebar slides in from the left using a smooth CSS transaction. So, so this code helps my sidebar to smoothly transact from out of the box to inner box. So if I show you here, so you can see here. So this is the responsive for mobile. And if I click here, so the sidebar, as you can see, the sidebar is smoothly transact from out of the box to inner box. So if I again click here, so it will go out, and I can navigate through here too. So like this. So my design is constant through to every page, as you can see here. So So I have made different. I have added two different pages to make my portfolio the way I want. So I added this home.html and this more.html. So in home.html, so it will welcome the viewer or the user. So, and for the more.html, so we have got these two box here. So these two box will lead a user or viewers to the section that they desire to go. So if we click on this video demo, the user will be directed to video demo.html. And if the user wants to go to site report that I wrote for this website of or my portfolio, so it will direct them to that site report. So as you can see, if I click here, so you can see the YouTube video link that will pop up here, and so we can play this video here. So if we click here, so it will again direct back to the more.html, so that so that viewers can go to next page, that is site report. So if we click here, as you can see, the user is directed to site report.html page. So I have explained here why I used this color, and what type of color I used and what font I used. And by doing this assignment, what I learned, so everything is written here. So and as you can see, I have also given a link here from where I have found this color, this font, and from where I learned this transaction to make my animations little bit smooth. And in report, I have also implemented some portfolio wireframe. So this is the wireframe that I created through the help of Figma. And so this is the wireframe of this website. And I also checked my every code in validator, W3C validator, and you can see here. So everything is so it doesn't have any error or any flaws. So if we go to this content.html, so you can see here the user or viewer can send me email from this page. So I have created a form where user can type their name, email, subject, and their message and send me through mail. So for the demo, if I write here name and email and the subject and write any message. So you can see if I click this send mail button, so it will ask to direct us to mail, so it can send mail to me. And so I have also implement a required section here. So if I just write a name here and try to send mail, so it will ask to write a full mail address. So as you can see, so it shows that. And if even if I write this message and don't write my name here, so it will tell the user to fill the file, so that it will send so the message will be sent to me. So I only used footer in this page because to put some social media links here. So I have added GitHub, my profile, GitHub profile link here, my Instagram, my LinkedIn, and my mail here. So if a user clicks here, so it will direct them to my GitHub profile. Or if they want to contact me through Instagram, they can click here and they will be directed to my profile. And if they want to hire me through LinkedIn, so they can just click here and come to my LinkedIn account. And if they don't want to do that all and just want to send mail, so they can just click in by this mail section and go to the mail and send mail. Or if they want to save time, then they can just use this form and send me mail. So I have added some over effect to some buttons that are clickable. So as you can see here, so this is a hire me button. So this button leads user to this contact.html page. And so you can see this button. This is a home.html button which lead user to this home page. So if I am in a home page and if I click this, so it will direct me to contact.html page. So if the user is anywhere in between this space, so if they wants to hire me by just seeing this page, if they click here, so they can send message and easily from here. So these are the code that I wrote for my this portfolio website. So and I will also show you the responsive side of this website. So like this, so you can see here. So it is not perfect, but it is somehow lookable and usable. And you can see this hamburger icon here. So if we check this, the sidebar will slide from out box to inner box, which have a smooth animation. So if we uncheck this, so it will go back. So we can just navigate through here like this. So this much for this video. Thank you.